In this video, I'll show you how to upload a customer list in Google Ads so you can create a customer match audience and reach people who already have a relationship with your business. This feature allows advertisers to use first-party data such as email addresses or phone numbers to build audiences for targeting, exclusions, or bid adjustments. To begin, sign into your Google Ads account and prepare a properly formatted customer list, usually in CSV format, with fields like email, phone number, or name. Next, go to the Tools section from the left menu, open the Shared Library, and select Audience Manager, which is where all audience lists are managed. Inside Audience Manager, click the plus icon and choose Customer List to create a new audience. You can either connect a supported CRM platform or manually upload your CSV file. During setup, give the list a clear name, map the columns to the correct identifiers, and confirm that the data complies with Google Ads policies and proper user consent. After uploading, Google will process the list and begin matching users, which may take some time depending on list size. Once ready, you can apply the audience to campaigns for more targeted advertising. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.